JSON schema file follows JSON structure: true, false. The correct answer is true. Following things can be defined in JSON schema: data type, default value of data, data size restrictions, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. JSON does have a native data type for date and time: true, false. The correct answer is false. To represent binary data in JSON, we need to have base64 encoded text, data prefixed by \# character, any type of Unicode data, HTML entities form of data. The correct answer is base64 encoded text.